This is Sarah. Like you, Sarah has been working from home, and things are starting to get a little uncomfortable. Luckily, Sarah's employer uses HomeBase by Envirotech, Canada's first subscription-based solution for remote workers. Here's how it works. For a low monthly fee, organizations are able to give their employees the proper tools to work from home in a safe and productive way. We take care of everything, from delivery and installation to removal at the end of use. And here's the best part. Envirotech is Canada's leading remanufacturer of high-end office furniture, which means we ensure that the products you use today can be remanufactured into the products you'll love tomorrow. So contact us today to learn how organizations are using HomeBase to keep their employees safe, happy, and productive.